is our half a liter. Is a bottle of 500 milliliters, and as you can see, we have ecological, is organic olive oil, and you can see that every bottle has its own number. So it's a number 8 bottle. We produce a big amount of this one. This is our first product in sales. The second one, you see our bottle is 100 milliliters. This bottle is perfect because you can travel, you can use as a present, and you can put in your hand luggage. Now I want that you pay attention in our new range of flavored olive oils. It's a seasoned olive, and we use extra virgin olive oil with white truffle and with black truffle. We use the same volume, 100 milliliters, because we think that it's much better to use in small quantities. The power of the essence is very high, and you can obtain a really seasoned dish. We have, as you know, the black truffle that comes from Melanosporum, and the white truffle from Magnatum Pico. Now I want that you focus your attention in the vinegars range. It's composed for three different vinegars. The first vinegar is a very charismatic from Andalusia. It's doing with a wine Pedro Ximénez. We have a very special taste because we use the highest quality of Pedro Ximénez. The second one is with caramel, with natural caramel. We make a reduction of the grapes, when you press the grapes the most, we reduce with heat and we obtain a caramel. The third one is a beautiful vinegar that comes from a mix of vinegar from wine mixed with red fruits that we use blueberries, strawberries, and a few of them. We make a pure juice and we mix it inside the wine, the vinegar wine, and we obtain a really beautiful taste. Amazing to use in dishes like meat dishes or something very special.